MFG here, and I got a dope package today in the mail. I'm gonna unbox it with y'all, but before I do, I just want y'all to know that everything I say in this video is from my heart. I'm not paid to say any of these things. I do not have an endorsement deal with these people. I just really love their product. But as a machinist, as a instructor, as a person that was doing buying for the whole shop, I really love their products. And I'm excited today, if you can't tell. All right, so let's check out this Kennametal Bring Forward with Innovations box together. I got my boy with me, and this did not come with the box. This came from when I keynoted NTMA chip conference. Kennametal was a sponsor. Show me mad love. It was dope. It stays in my office. I got a couple of those. But boom, spring forward with innovations. Starting off, Kennametal is dope. The box is dope. Packaging is something that I'm paying more attention to. Shout out to my boy Crowe. But sustainability, all these things are things that I look at now that I learn more about packaging. You want to learn more about packaging, check out my I Am West interviews on YouTube with some of the top packaging experts in the world. Got Newcomb on there, Crowe. Check them out. Get my boy over here. But packaging first jumps out at you. And that black and gold, like, that means something. So when I was a machinist, even when I was an instructor, when we worked in certain shops that could afford or could invest in, I would say, because it's not something that you can afford, it's quality, right? When that black and gold used to come through a shop, you knew it was a good day. Or you went on a shop tour to see if you want to take a job at a certain shop, and you look at the type of inserts that they have or the type of end mills that they're using. When you saw that black and gold in abundance, then you knew that this was a shop that really took their machining seriously. And you know, you were gonna have fun at the shop. You were gonna really be able to test your limits and push and work with the best. So there we go. They're going on tour. They're literally getting out in front of the people. Make sure you check them out when they're in a location near you. I'll drop a link so you can see when they're gonna be out by you, but they're bringing the big truck. They're gonna be doing demos, all type of stuff on everything that you see in this box. They've been cutting metal since 1938. Man, I wasn't around back then. Some of y'all were, but that's expertise. Being able to be the top and be one of the best and be around for that long means they really know what they're doing and they're pushing it forward. You know what I'm saying? You don't stay around that long if you're not continuing to innovate and continuing to move our industry forward. If you're making the same stuff and it's not quality, you don't have that type of longevity. Kennametal stickers for the boxes. We got some cutters in here. Let's go. I'm gonna show you guys each one of these up close as well, so you can see them. Boom, we got the Kennametal cap. Hold on, let's cut this real quick. We got some inserts for the legs. These are the KenSwiss inserts. So these are some of the new ones. These are gonna be for smaller parts, for Swiss. So we're talking about fast cuts, intricate cuts. So we're talking like small pieces, aerospace stuff, medical devices, big money applications. You feel me? Some golf balls. We just got a Top Golf right by the crib on the south side. So while I'm in town, gotta smack a couple of these around. The tumbler. Can always use another tumbler. Some more inserts. These are dope. So these are gonna go probably on your standard legs. It's hard. Let's go, Kennametal. Thank you for this. It's a little clock. Little clock-ski. I found my knife, but I found this pen. Crazy story about this pen. I went and did a show, spoke to some kids in a Midwest town. I'm not gonna say which one because I don't want to give this away. But a guy asked me for my autograph. He's like, yo, you're gonna do big things one day. I want to say I was one of the first people to see you and to get your autograph. So I didn't have a pen. He gave me this pen and I autographed something for him, and it was just a really great moment. And he was like, you know what? This is my lucky pen. Keep this pen. It's yours now. So I was like, all right, cool, man. He's like, you're gonna sign some big checks with that pen, and it lit. It's a pen. And I flew home, got on the airport, went through TSA, flew home, I got to the house and I was like, yo, this is a pretty dope pen. And I was fidgeting with it. I got ADHD, I do all type of weird stuff. So I was fidgeting with the pen and I opened it. Not like that. I fidgeted with the pen and I opened the pen. And it was a knife in the pen. Oh, dude straight gave me a shank. And I was on the plane with a pen shank this whole time. And I could have went to all type of things could have happened, but nothing happened. So I got my pen shank. Yo, oh, they're not playing, yo. So that's why they gave me all the inserts. These are not for the leg. These are for a shell mill. As you can see, yo, this is not cheap at all. This is like, all of these things are like really top of the line great stuff. It's already great because it's Kennametal. This is like top flight stuff for Kennametal. You know what I'm saying? This is what's up. Come on, man, stop playing. All right, so this is more than just a gift box. This is a whole hookup. This can put a business on. It can put school for sure or a workforce training center in a really good place to be able to do more with their machines and not just cut plastic and soft metals. They can really get their machines to do some amazing stuff and teach some better lessons, or at least have some of their students really push their knowledge and see what's next. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put all this stuff back in the box. I'm keeping the hat, but I'm gonna put all my stuff in the box and I want to pass this forward. I'm gonna pass this forward to a school or a woman or minority owned business that can use this stuff and do something with it, take it to the next level. So if you have one that you'd like to see with this awesome new Kennametal, this is their new stuff, y'all. If you know a business that can use something like this, or a school that you could give this to, and I will be on tour. So tour starts next week. I'll be in Baltimore with the Baltimore City Schools and with JARC Baltimore, a weekend of welding. We'll be teaching the community. We'll be talking about other things we can do with our minds and our time. We'll be doing the big put the guns down, pick up a trade initiative. So I'll be on the road. This is gonna come with me and somebody's gonna get blessed. If you know somebody that could use it now, I'll put it in the mail and pass it forward. Kennametal, thank you so much for thinking of me. Thank you so much for, look at the time that they spend in this thing. This is for real. You know what I'm saying? Kennametal will be on the road, so you can see all of these things live. Go see them. It's the Metal Cutting Tour. They're on the road right now. I was in Anaheim last month and they were out on the West Coast. So they're all over. Make sure you see when they're in your city and come get some of that Kennametal love. Shout out to y'all. Thank you so much.